All right, we've got the white version of the VOLUART, VOLUART M416 Foam Dart, Nerf Dart Electric Blaster. We're going to go ahead and get this all set up and ready to play with. So I'm going to kind of just move some things to the side here. Again, if you don't have this video, you do have your little steps that come with it, with the troubleshooting guide on the back. So let's get this going. We're going to take the main part of the blaster right here. And then I find it's actually easiest to put the barrel in first because then you can make sure that you've got it in there good and secure. So I think that's a little easier to do to make sure this is in there all the way and it's secure. And then go ahead and just insert this part through the barrel. So when you do so, you insert at an angle like this because you can see there that there's only a certain way the barrel can go on, slides on like so, and then turns and locks into place. Okay, then you can see everything lines up with the top, so you know you're good to go. Then you can take your Fore Grip, which is just a rail mount Fore Grip, and that can just slide on here. So again, it's easiest, I think, to kind of line it up like so, and just slide that all the way on. Now you got your little Fore Grip right here. Your silencer can just be pushed on here. You can either push it all the way on or leave it extended a little bit if you want. So we've got that part all set up. For the back end, put the stock on, and that just is a nice easy clicks on. And if you want to take it off, you just push the buttons down. That releases it. So we're on there. We're ready to go. Let's load up the magazine. Got your magazine here. Lay the gun down. And again, the darts only go that way. It says 12. 12 is the maximum capacity. It's a little better to probably only fill it with 10 to 11. Since the packs come in 10, I typically just go ahead and fill it to 10. For the sake of the video, just stick, about 5 of them in here. So easy to go ahead and do it this way. I know some people like to push it down like this, load it that way. Whatever your preference is, just go ahead and load it up and get it ready to go. So now we've got that all ready to go. I'm going to set that down and let's put the battery in first before we install that. So we're going to flip this over. Your battery door is right here. It's a nice flush mount with the gun. Grab the comes with a little screwdriver. So if you don't have one handy, this one is right there for you. So we're going to unscrew that. And then since this is a nice flush mount, it can be a little harder to get the door off initially. So what I found is to get that screw out and then just go ahead and kind of use this to lift it out, lift the door out. Okay, then you've got that door off. We're ready to go and plug the battery in. Battery was fully charged. I just charged it overnight. Plug it in. The plugs are made so that they can only go in one direction. So if it's not plugging in, then flip it over. You probably don't have it lined up properly. Fold that in there nicely. Put your door back on. Make sure you didn't lose your screw. And screw that back down. Now it should be ready to play with. We'll just add the magazine. I have to flip it over. Yep, check that it's working. It is. So you know everything is ready to go. All you're going to need to do then is insert your magazine. Okay, if you need to release the magazine when you're done, you just push that button and that allows it to slide down. Otherwise, it's locked in place. It's ready to go. Your door is up here. You can see your dart. In case there's any sort of jamming ever, it makes it very easy to clear those jams. It's nice to have that door up there. All these rail options for different types of accessories. So if you're into that, you've got a lot of great places to put your accessories too. So it's the M416 Electric Foam Dart Nerf Dart Blaster from VOLUART, VOLUART. This is the white model. They also make a black and gray digital camo model. So VOLUART M416 Nerf Dart Blaster. check it out. I'll make sure to do a video where we get to play with these as well.